Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a backup and how to transfer data on the VIVO V50e. Okay, so let's begin. So as you can see, we are doing the setup process, and now let's click on Start, select your location in here. Select that you have read and agreed to the above terms, and now we have the first method that we are interested in, and it's set up using another device. So click on Android device, and now we need to scan this QR code using the camera from our second device. So basically we want to transfer data from this device into that one. So the Vivo is our new device and we want to get data into it. So now simply scan the QR code. Okay, you will have something like that. Okay, now as you can see that the both devices are being connected, and now I need to enter my password to confirm that I'm the one who is connecting to this device. Okay. Okay, you can see on the Vivo that it's been automatically connected to the Wi-Fi, and we don't need to do this manually. And now we need to keep on waiting because this process might take a little bit, so be patient. And now we need to wait. Okay, we are after the loading screen. Now the phone wants us to set the unlock method. I'm gonna click on skip because we can do it always. Do it later in the settings, so I'm just gonna click on skip, and now we have option to copy data from your Android device. We want to click on next. Okay, getting ready to copy. This might take a few minutes, so again we need to wait a little bit until this process is finished. Okay, and now in here we need to choose what we want to copy. We can copy apps, photos and videos, music and other audio, messages, device settings, and also the call history. For example, when it comes to the apps or photos and videos, you don't need to copy all of them. You can simply click, for example, on the apps, and here you can select or unselect which apps you want to copy or not. You don't need to copy all of them, so remember about it. But in my case, I don't want any of my apps to be copied. Also in here you can see how long is it going to take to fully copy all of the data. So now simply click on copy. Now the process will start. Okay, now we have the Google services such as location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data, and install updates and apps. Simply click on accept in here. Now we have option to back up our device. I suggest you should enable the photos and videos and other device data, but it's completely up to you. If you unselect it, don't worry, you can always turn it on later. In my case, I'm just gonna click on turn on. Now click on next. In here we need to select the basic browser, default browser. I'm gonna select the Google Chrome and Google as my search engine. Google as my search engine. Click on set as default. Now click on continue. Now on our second device we can see that the copying has been done. And now we need to continue on the Vivo. In here you can click on no thanks or you agree. It's option to let contacts nearby find you and share with you. I'm just gonna click on that I agree. Now click on continue, and now we have the Gemini, which is basically the AI assistant. I'm gonna click on turn on. I'm gonna skip the Google Pay though, and in here I'm gonna click on no thanks. Okay, and copying is done. Photos and videos, music and other audio, messages, device settings, and the call history has been successfully transferred. So now we want to click on done. Okay, now let's wait a little bit until this process in here is finished. Again, it might take a little bit. Okay, keep the system updated. We want to click on next. send usage and diagnostic data. You can click on agree or disagree. In here I'm gonna simply click on no thanks. In the navigation mode I'm gonna leave the gesture navigation, but you can also click on 3-button navigation. And if you don't know how to use the gestures, in here you can click on learn, so it's like a quick tutorial. Now click on get started. And now we are ready to use our device. If you open the notifications in here, you can see that from the Google Play Store some apps are being installed right now. Make sure that you are still connected to the Wi-Fi, don't disconnect. And now simply wait, and you are ready to use your phone now. Okay, so that was the first method, how you can transfer data into your new device, and now I'm gonna show you the second one, which is restoring a backup from the Google one. Okay, and now we are again during the setup process, and just like I have said like 2 seconds ago, and now I'm gonna show you how to restore backup from the Google one. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the whole process. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, now in here we need to click on skip. Now we need to connect into the Wi-Fi manually, so that's what I'm going to do now. Just give me a second, I'll just type my password. Okay. Okay, getting your phone ready. Again, we need to wait. This might take a little bit, so I'll see you once it's finished. Alright, and now we have option to sign in into the Google account, and remember that we need to log in into the same Google account on which we made the backup earlier. It is crucial, otherwise we won't be able to restore our backup. So I'm gonna log in right now. So just give me a second. Okay, now you need to type your password in here in this bar. And then click on next. Click on next once more, click on I agree. Okay, now we need to wait a little bit again. Again, I'm gonna skip the unlock method, just like in the previous method. Now copy out send data, click on next. Okay, and now we have the option that we are interested in the most. So restore data from another device. Choose a backup below. In here, as you can see, I have a list of backups that I have on my Google account. In here, I have the account from my VIVO. So I'm simply gonna select that, and in here we need to choose what we want to restore. When it comes to the Google Photos and the Gmail calendar and Drive, they're synced automatically. And below we need to choose what you want to restore. You can restore apps, contacts, device settings, and also the call history. But as you can see, all apps are number of them is 45. You don't need to copy all of them. You can simply click on apps, and in here you can manually select or unselect the apps that you want to copy or not to copy. Now click on OK. Now click on restore. Now the restoring date process will start. Now again we have the Google services, just like in the previous method. I'm just gonna click on accept. Also I'm gonna turn on the backup. Now again the search engine and the default browser, I'm gonna select the Google Chrome and the Google as my search engine. In here click on continue, click on I agree or no thanks. It's completely up to you. Remember that you can always enable or disable those things in the settings. In here click on continue. I'm gonna enable the Gemini. Oh my bad, I want to skip the Google Pay. In here I'm gonna click on no thanks. Again, getting your phone ready, this might take a few minutes, so and we need to wait once again. Okay, keep the system updated. I want to click on next. In here I'm gonna agree. In here click on next. When it comes to the navigation mode, I'm gonna select the gesture navigation. You can also select the 3-button navigation. If you don't know how to use gestures, you can click on learn, and in here you will have a quick tutorial. Then click on next, click on get started, and now our device is ready to use. And just like in the previous method, in here some of the apps will be installed from the Google Play Store. Make sure that you are still connected to the Wi-Fi, don't disconnect, and wait until everything will be downloaded, and now you are ready to use your phone. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.